want to tell the people of Argentina I've decided I should decline all the honors and titles you've pressed me to take, for I'm contented. Let me simply go on as the woman who brings her people to the heart of Peron. Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is, I shall not leave you, though it may get harder for you to see me. I'm Argentina, and always will be. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is, I never left you. All through my wild days, my mad existence, I kept my promise. Don't keep your distance. Have I said too much? There's nothing more I can think of to say to you. But all you have to do is look at me to know that every word